the self management is very important. If you're not self managed, आप structured नहीं है, then you will not be able to manage other people. To become a role model or to listen anyone, you first need to be self managed and self structured. First thing. So that is one thing. Listening,
They say walk the talk, right?
yeah. And second thing, listening. Over the period of time, I learned one thing, that you have to listen to the person who is sitting next to you or who is coming to you.
She's determined to empower people. She has more than 2 decades of experience. She guides leadership teams to create happy and satisfied workplaces. Let's welcome Mrs. Amrita Khanal ma'am. She's working with Beyond Key as People and Culture Manager. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome to this IMA podcast.
Thanks, Vijita. Thanks for inviting me here.
We are so happy to have you here.
Even I am excited too.
Okay. So, ma'am, your designation, Senior Manager, People and Culture, it's very intriguing. Yeah, I have never heard about such kind of designation so far. So, why People and Culture Manager?
See, so background, I say that I am from the people management background, which we normally say human resource management, which is more related to people. And culture is because we belong to the nation where culture is more important. And culture is equally important in our family and even the corporates, because every organization has certain history, certain background, certain processes, certain policies, which comes with the practice. And your very honest practice, आपका जो सबसे बहुत अच्छा लगने वाली चीज होती है, वो धीरे धीरे आपका कल्चर बन जाता है.
True.
एंड कल्चर में आप सबको इवॉल्व कर सकते हैं बहुत इजीली. आप अगर किसी को प्रोसेस और पॉलिसी आप समझाएंगे, दैट पर्सन मे फियर अबाउट इट. I need to follow this policy, I need to follow this process. But अगर आप उसको अपने कल्चर में इवॉल्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो उस चीज़ें ऑटोमेटिकली होने लग जाएंगी. एंड देन पर्सन विल फील, वो पर्सन अपने आप को जोड़े रखेगा उस चीज़ से, जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है जब कहीं पे आप किसी वर्किंग एनवायरनमेंट में है जहाँ पे आपको अपनी फैमिली से ज़्यादा टाइम देना है. Right?
Nice.
So this is what I feel that, my family background, the background of my organization, I feel that culture is more important to develop somewhere too. और मेरा वो core focus area रहा. That's why my designation is People and Culture Management.
Yeah, that's very interesting. When I heard of it for the first time, so I was like, I'm going to ask you this question for sure. Why not HR manager? Why People and Culture Manager? I was very curious about it. As you said, that culture is more important, right, than processes, right? So whenever you recruit a new person, whenever you assimilate a new talent into your organization, क्या challenges आते हैं?
See, challenge हमें तब आएंगे जब हम will hire a resource. But when you think that you need a team member for your project team, your organization, you start thinking in a way that what is the need of the person who is joining the organization. So एक setup होता है, आपकी जॉब रिक्वायरमेंट बनती है, आपको वो जॉब रिक्वायरमेंट फ्लोट करनी होती है मार्केट में, आपको सारी चीज़ें जितने भी रिज्यूमे होते हैं वो आते हैं, आपको फिल्ट्रेशन होता है. दैट्स अ प्रोसेस, पार्ट ऑफ प्रोसेस. बट the ideology we use in Beyond Key is we actually check the behavioral part of the person first. A person may be sound in technology, बहुत अच्छा experience लेकर आ रहा होगा, but is he good fit or is she a good fit for your organization? We actually get it done by the behavioral test of the person.
Ma'am, our podcast will be watched by a lot of youngsters also. So, could you explain in simple terms what is behavioral index? so that youngsters could also understand, जो भी MBA कर रहे हैं, you know, who want to become HR managers, so they will also be watching this podcast. तो उनके लिए आप सिंपल टर्म्स में हमें बताएंगे कि बिहेवियरल इंडेक्स क्या होता है और उससे क्या क्या चीजें हम प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हैं.
सो बिहेवियरल इंडेक्स इज सिंपल, आप उसे टेस्ट बोल लीजिए, जिसमें कुछ ऑप्शंस होते हैं विच यू नीड टू सिलेक्ट बेस्ड ऑन योर पर्सनैलिटी, एंड इट्स एक्चुअली रन थ्रू द साइकोलॉजी व्हाट आई नीड टू सिलेक्ट, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू गेट द entire the screening of the person on the behavioral part, because then, and it is different for every person. It cannot be similar for you and it cannot be similar for me, because I do have different psychology when I am performing that, and you may have the different one.
Ma'am, have you ever heard, because a lot of friends of mine who are working into corporate, and they always make fun of HR managers, and they're like, HR करते ही क्या है? So is that, I know it's not true. I know it's not true. But would you like to say something about it?
Controversial statement. So हम लोग बहुत सारा काम कर रहे हैं, हम बहुत सारा काम करते हैं सच में. So basically it's not so easy to handle people at work.
Absolutely.
Because again, the different people are coming from the different background, they have different experience, they are working with a different environment of the project, so it cannot be similar always.
Right.
So it is something more like a mother, you are handling multiple children,
right. और अपने खुद के बच्चे को हैंडल करना is very challenging,
and you are handling the children of so many mothers.
right. Okay. So आपको क्या लगता है कि मेंटल वेलबींग और इमोशनल हेल्थ कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है when it comes to productivity?
It is very important. So mental health and well-being of any person, if you're not stable, if you have certain problem in your personal life, you'll not be able to concentrate on your work.
Right.
And for that, it's again the person responsibility, how they're making that environment so open and so friendly that they're actually talking about their problem and you're listening them and they're making themselves comfortable. No, there is someone who is listening me, and then they're releasing their all the stress,
Right.
and by that they can definitely increase their productivity. So productivity is directly connected with the well-being and mental health.
So, ma'am, I've heard so many people complaining about their work stress, and they seem stressed all the time. They're like, okay, I have a lot of work stress. So, why do you think why people have work stress in their lives?
There can be multiple reasons for the work stress at the organization. In the organization, maybe they are not able to collaborate with their team.
Right.
They are not able to perform as per their own expectation, because आजकल सबकी own expectation इतनी high हो गई है, so सामने वाला आपको बाद में defeat करता है, पहले ही defeat हो जाते हैं. So this is, I personally feel when I meet people, when I talk to them, I feel that they are actually not able to set their own expectation. Then maybe due to some competition in a team, which again self-created competition. So there may be multiple reasons for the stress at workplace.
Thank you so much, ma'am, हमसे share करने के लिए, because nowadays stress is very common, right? Every second person says that he's under stress. So thank you so much for throwing some light on the facts. So, ma'am, there are so many students, management students who want to get into HR, who want to become HR managers. So what will be that one piece of advice? क्या बोलेंगे आप उन्हें कि ऐसी कौन सी 3 skills है जो उन्हें खुद में डेवलप करनी चाहिए जिससे कि वो एक अच्छे HR मैनेजर बन पाए?
I think जितने भी new generation who are looking into the career in HR, first thing, the self-management is very important. If you're not self-managed, आप structured नहीं है, then you will not be able to manage other people. To become a role model or to listen anyone, you first need to be self-managed and self-structured. First thing. So that is one thing. Listening,
They say walk the talk, right?
yeah. And second thing, listening. Over the period of time, I learned one thing, that you have to listen to the person who is sitting next to you or who is coming to you. He'll not listen. If you're not good listener, you cannot be any manager. Leave about HR manager, you will not be manager. So as a manager, you should be good listener. And third, whatever you're doing, you should do it with the passion.
That's very important.
Don't stressed out.
Right. And
I-
work
I-
on yourself.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was lovely having you here, and I really enjoyed our conversation. और आपसे ना मुझे बहुत ऐसे calm और शांत vibes आती हैं. And you've been so calm and composed in
Thank you
the
so much.
entire podcast. Like you have this peculiar calm vibes that I get from you. So I could actually feel those vibes. So thank you very much. I really enjoyed our conversation.
Same here, Vijita.
And thank you so much to share your wisdom with us. Our audience will be benefited from your nuggets of knowledge. So thank you very much, ma'am.
Thanks, Vijita.
Thank you.